Do you know about a scientific way of fasting for longer periods of time to lose fat and weight? Hi, I'm Dr. Vibhusha, clinical nutritionist practicing for more than 12 years. So, you guessed it right. This technique is called as intermittent fasting. So, is intermittent fasting really beneficial to lose weight? Will I lose muscle while doing that? How long or how many months or how many years can I continue with intermittent fasting? Is it really suitable for my lifestyle? If you too have these questions related to intermittent fasting, do DM us by writing IF in the comments section, and we will share with you a PDF which has been specially curated to answer all these questions by our doctors and clinical nutritionists. And don't forget to stay updated with more such videos talking about intermittent fasting.